Hi everyone, my name is Rosa and I'm a Youth Services Librarian with the Vaughan Public Libraries. Some of you might recognize me from the Dufferin Clark Public Library branch where I run the Born to Read and Reading Buddies programs. Today I'm going to show you how to make Jello Play-Doh, which is a colorful and sweet-smelling alternative to regular store-bought Play-Doh. I learned this activity from a website called teachingmama.org, which will be linked down below.
The ingredients that you're going to need for this activity are a pot or a saucepan, a cup of flour, a cup of water, a quarter of a cup of salt, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon cream of tartar, and 1 package of Jello, either sugar-free or regular. And I would also suggest some additional flour for kneading. So mix all the ingredients together in a pot and cook it over a low heat on the stove. Stir frequently using a whisk to get rid of any of the clumps, and then cook it for 5 to 7 minutes. And then after about 5 to 7 minutes, you're going to start stirring it with a spatula. Once the dough starts to gather together into a ball and doesn't stick to your fingers, then you can take it off the stove and let it cool. After the mixture has cooled down completely, put it on a cutting board and knead it like you would bread. I put some flour on the board and had to add a lot more flour to my mixture because it came out a little bit too sticky. Nevertheless, in the end, it turned out to be a smooth, sweet, lemony smelling Play-Doh.
Did you know that Play-Doh was introduced as an educational toy in the 1950s? It's not only a fun sensory activity, but there are so many other benefits for kids to play with Play-Doh. It develops fine motor skills by building up strength in those tiny little hands while enhancing hand and eye coordination. It also supports literacy and numeracy skills. You can use Play-Doh as a tool to teach kids those tricky subjects like math and reading. Use it for descriptions for counting, shapes, and more. Thank you for stopping by and watching. If you enjoy our videos, please hit the like button and subscribe. For more educational activities and videos for kids, head on over to our YouTube channel. Find us by searching for Vaughan Public Libraries in the YouTube search bar. Until next time, please stay safe and goodbye.